हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में. So today we are going to discuss about a very good part-time job. It is a very good job and you will be paid very good because it is we are going to talk about a US based company, and the job is very simple. You just need to listen an audio and just write that what is being told in the interview. It is a transcription. You might have heard about the transcription jobs. It is a transcription job and it is a part-time job, so you can apply for this job. I will show you everything practically, what is the site, how to apply, what are the requirements, what are the things, everything will be told you. And the eligibility criteria, I will tell you with the eligibility criteria, that is anyone can apply. If you are 10th pass, 12th pass, graduate, postgraduate, anything, you can apply for this job. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing it, because we are updating many videos related to job interviews, job tips, job interviews and interview tips, and in part-time jobs and internship in opportunities, everything we are posting here. So consider subscribing it and like our video before starting it. Thank you for this. And let's start with the video how to apply. We will show you everything practically. So the first step is open any browser. I have opened here my Google Chrome. Okay, I will type here Verbit. I will type here Verbit, VERBIT, and the link will be already provided in description also. You can check the link from the description. I will click on the first link, that is verbit.ai. Okay, that is the basic site, that is the main site that we have to apply. Okay, so what we need to do here, just go to scroll down and go to the bottom of the page. On the footer you will get a link, that is join as transcriber, because you are applying for a transcription job. It is a transcription job. Transcription job is basically that you will get an audio that will play and you need to write that thing. Okay, that thing in the text. That is the basic job. Okay, so what is the things that you need to do? Firstly, you need to fill this Google form. This is the Google form on this site. Register here yourself here. Firstly, I will enter my name. Suppose I am entering my name, Anurag. Email address. When you will enter your email ID, everything, every detail, then you will get your response after half an hour. I will show you what response you get, because I have already registered with another email ID, so I will show you that. Okay, if you have a LinkedIn account, so provide your link here of the LinkedIn account. I will not provide. I have a LinkedIn account, but I am not providing that, because you can apply. And the next thing is that, do you have experience in transcribing? Just click on yes, because if you know English or Hindi, suppose you are knowing English or Hindi, then you can transcribe itself. If you listen to one thing, you can write it down. That is the basic thing. So click on yes. How did you find about this? Just click on web search. Okay, and click on submit. When you will click on submit, it will show that that you have successfully submitted, and a link will be sent to you. I will show you what link is being sent. So see, this is the mail that you get from the verbit.ai. I have registered with another email ID before, so that I can show you that this email you will get after half an hour or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. You will get this mail, most probably you will get for sure. And what are the things? These are the it is a training or a quiz. A training or quiz mean given that you will just click on this video and you need to see this video. This video link will be also provided in the description. You just need to see this video first, so that you get to know about the training program, and you will complete the training. Then you will be having a test about the assessment, and then you will be selected for the job. That is the basic criteria of being selected for the part-time job. And it is a US based company, so you will be getting very good amount of money if you are applying for this job. And it is a part-time job. You don't need to sit all 12 hours or 8 hours for doing this job. 2 hours or 3 hours is enough for it, and you will be having a good source of income. So because they will pay you in dollar, and you can convert it into rupees, and you can get a good amount of money. So this was all about the Verbit. How can you apply for a transcriber? What is a part-time job? What are the things you need to have? And what is a selection procedure I have told. If you want a good video on a selection procedure, full video on selection procedure, just comment down you want a video on this, and I will make a video on the selection procedure also, because it is not a very big thing. I will post the questions also. I will appear for the training program. I will tell everything for the things you need to know about when you appear for this these things. So if you like this video, consider clicking on that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon too, because you are getting job updates notification, job interviews notification, about the job interview experience, about the job experience, about the opportunities you are getting in internships. You will be getting everything on this channel. So consider subscribing it and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. As soon as I post a video, you will get a notification of it. And you can also join my Telegram channel, because I have posted many materials, many job notifications are also posted there also. So you can join that, and you can follow me on Instagram, because we are going live there also, and I have posted a live session there also, and we are solving every doubt if you are getting a doubt, and I will be going live frequently. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and support our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.